Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's fine. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's fine. Taurus, what are the messages for you? So Taurus, under the deck, 7 of Cups with the star. Maybe for some you have options, for some you are confused. But you will get clarity in near future and there is something positive shift is coming. Yes, the star is here and the person involved in this connection could be Libra or Aquarius especially. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 6 of Wands, 3 of Wands and Emperor. You are getting success for your hard work. You are getting recognition for your hard work. And you are taking your control back. For some you have some ego problem also. And for some you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. But you're still waiting on someone or something. You are waiting for positive growth or positive things in your life. Then present Justice, Page of Pentacles and Judgment. For some, one person in this connection may be involved in legal issues, maybe divorce, and there is some text and communication is coming. For some, children also involved in this connection. You are going to be make some major decision and someone is coming back for second chances also. Someone want marriage with you, but for some you are making a major decision in the month of May. Then future, 4 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups and Knight of Wands. For some, two persons coming into your life. One could be new and other could be past. For some, it could be only past. It depends on your situation. But this person is very, very passionate towards you. This person is very, very attracted towards you. But this person may be in and out of your life. And you are thinking about someone a lot. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And you are holding back. Because maybe for some you are confused, for some you have options, you have to choose. That's why you are holding back right now. Because you are indecisive right now to make a decision if you have two persons. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Aquarius or Libra. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 4 of Swords under the deck. Maybe right now your person is not talking to you. They are undergoing some healing process. They are doing meditation, but they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their current feelings. Taurus. Okay, High Priestess. 5 of Wands with Hanged Man. I think your person started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition, and there was issues between you and your person. There were issues. Lot of drama is going between. For some, more than one person is fighting for your person attention. And Hanged Man, they stuck on you because this love is mutual. 2 of Cups is here. Definitely love is mutual and your person feeling stuck For some you person right now spiritually awakening, because the high priestess with the hangman, they're spiritually awakening. So let's see their intentions, Taurus. Yeah, if you are in separation with your person, they want reconciliation with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, because they realize that you are their happiness, you are their sunshine, the sun. I think children's also involved in this connection, and there is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini especially. And King of Cups, they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, love offer is coming. And Three of Cups, they want celebration with you. And Knight of Swords, yes, communication. They rush in to communicate with you. Yes, they rush in to communicate with you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome, Taurus. They are fantasizing about you a lot, and they are coming back if you are in separation, but they are in very slow moving energy, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. And six of wands under the deck. Maybe your person is very popular person, but at the same time they also want success in this connection. Yes, I think they are dreaming about you a lot, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. They're planning to come back. I think strong soulmate connection between both of you. I think you are also feeling missed opportunity with this person, Taurus, because love is mutual, strong soulmate connection. You both are connected at soul level. And the Empress, you are taking your control back. You stand by your power. And you both are patiently waiting for the right time. Maybe you both are patiently waiting on each other. You both want to restore the balance in this connection. And Seven of Wands, I think you both don't want to give up on each other. Yes, especially your person don't want to give up on this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Cancer, Gemini. The person involved in this connection could be lot of abundance is coming, Taurus. I realized my mistake. Past person return. New love is coming. Yes, for some. I am afraid to tell you how I feel. And this person is sneaky. Yeah. So the messages are lot of abundance is coming. I realized my mistake. Past person return. New love is coming. I am afraid to tell you how I feel, and this person is sneaky. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. For some, definitely a new person entering in your life. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Taurus. A time for healing. Don't let your past hold you back. So if you are going through a lot in your life right now, you have past hurts, so it's time for healing for you. Do meditation to heal yourself, and don't let your past hold you back. Yes, you have to let go of your past, and you have to move on. Yes. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.